Good morning, y'all. We are loading up the big black brick because we're headed to Little Rock to make bricks. Neither Crystal or I have had a cup of coffee, and you can tell because Crystal is grumpy. So let's go make some bricks.
Hey, how's it going, Rob?
Hey, what's going on, man? How's it going?
Pretty good.
Your
usual?
Yeah, man, the usual, the two Americanos.
With heavy creams?
Yes, sir.
Does she want extra today?
You want extra today?
Or a regular amount?
We'll both take extra. We're both feeling creamy.
Okay. The heavy cream, right?
Yes, sir.
Alright.
Thank you much.
You're welcome. I'll try 6.
You know, when your Starbucks barista knows you by name and your drink at Starbucks, you get a lot of coffee. But he's super cool. Alright, y'all. Y'all have seen us order Starbucks drive-thrus so many times. What makes today any different than any other day? I ordered extra heavy cream. We just pulled up to the folks' house. This thing beeps at you whenever you're not wearing a seatbelt, like hardcore. We're gonna unload our cold food that we packed for the week, and then I've got a client call in 30 minutes. We gotta go back into town where I've got cell signal. We gotta hurry. I'm gonna make it, y'all. I'm having to do this call in the van, on the road. Got my computer, got my trusty sidekick. Let's do it. We're at my uncle's warehouse. We're gonna load the van up with our remaining ingredients, and we're gonna go make some bricks. Yeah, buddy. Y'all wanna know the beauty of having this van? I can load this up all at once with a forklift, not to pick things up on my back. So it's great because I did deadlifts yesterday. Now isn't that cool? Crystal, what are we doing?
Pouring the cacao butter.
Alright, y'all, as you can see, we're in the kitchen making bricks. We're gonna make about 800 tonight. Here we go. Taking a little breather to eat my beef liver, olives, and Primal Kitchen mayo. Doesn't like making bricks and eating liver. Do you love your job, Kayla?
I love it.
You love it?
I love it.
What about you, Corey? You love it?
You love it, man.
Is there
Great.
anything better than being a brick maker?
Bricks on bricks on bricks.
Yeah. Alright, y'all, Keto Brick production is rolling along. I made some mini bricks with a little mold that I have. Put it in my Kite Hill yogurt. And I'm having Keto Brick and Kite Hill yogurt. Boom. And it looks and tastes so freaking good. Gotta love it. Got to love it. We got a couple updates on the brick, so hang tight. Alrighty, y'all, quick little brick updates. We made 818 bricks tonight in like 8.5 hours, so that set a record there. We didn't have all of our heat seal bags, so that kind of cut some time, but that's a really good speed for us with the 4-man crew that we had. Was it 4?
5.
5. One came a little bit halfway through, so 5 at one point. Just to give y'all kind of an update on what to expect this month from the bricks. Everybody's been asking about when our next big drop is. In the past, we've done about 1,000 bricks, 1,200 brick drop. This next one is gonna be right around 5,600 bricks, so more than 5 times what we've done in the past. So hopefully everybody will get a brick. In order for us to do that, we're still living 3 hours away from the kitchen, so we're traveling every week this month to come in, make bricks. We're gonna make bricks 2 nights a week. We're gonna make 700 to 800 bricks each night to meet that 5,600 minimum demand. And then we're gonna launch all of those probably the last week of July. Sound good?
Yep. Sounds
A couple little other items of note. A lot of people have been asking about mini bricks. I'm not sure I'm going to offer mini bricks. There's reasons to offer them and there's reasons not to offer them. One of the reasons not to offer them is because if they all melt together, it's gonna be a mess. But I did play around with a mold tonight, and
They're pretty cute, guys.
This-
like,
this
look
is
how
pretty cute.
I just wanna.
yeah, and they, I don't know, like, they're cute little mini bricks. So this may be a thing, we don't know yet. Also, the liquid brick, I've talked about this. This is a really good option because a lot of y'all are melting down your brick anyways and then pouring them into your own molds, which I like honestly more than the mini brick option because then you can make your macros basically whatever you want them to, since
And
it's
then
all
you
by
can just
weight.
go like this.
Yeah, so you just do that. So we are testing out some packaging right now. This is not a confirmed thing yet. Neither the small bricks, mini bricks, or this is confirmed, but we're testing out some packaging. This will become solid at room temp eventually. So you would have to heat it up, open it up, and pour it into your molds. But this is 4 bricks worth of mixture right here. And it's pretty nice, like I like it. It feels pretty solid.
Yeah.
So this is, I feel pretty good about this. We just gotta find packaging that is, I wanna find packaging that's microwave safe. So we're gonna test this in the microwave to see if it's microwave safe. Or you could like heat it up in water or whatever you wanna do, boiling water. That's about all I gotta say.
I didn't have anything to say. He just wanted me in the video.
Cute. All right, it is late. We still have to work on clients. We're gonna go home and do just that. We will catch y'all tomorrow. Take care.